Here we go. Here we go. Day 3.
Amazing Canada, Vancouver Island. Day 3, sensational.
It was sensational. Now, this is a big day. We've got 345 kilometres to travel. So we're on the road up to Port Hardy. And it's just glorious. It's like this the whole way. It's just beautiful. We could have broken it up, but our aim is to go up to Port Hardy and slowly come back so we get to see the whole island. Google Maps tells us it's only a 4-hour drive. We had push bike riders overtake us. They would overtake them, and then they'd overtake us. So anyhow, that's the plan of the day. Now let's get into the day. Right at the beginning, we had to pack up. What happened there?
Well, we're okay. We're unhooking everything, and then one of the hoses we couldn't quite get it to come off. Kim had a go. I had another go.
So we took about 5 minutes just to take the hoses off to leave it.
To get out of the
Caravan
RV park.
RV park, okay.
Orange goes into it.
Orange goes to the source,
Yep.
and the
City
hose
fill.
end goes to the city fill. Okay, and that just pops off and screws in.
Okay.
Okay.
Gonna stop and see what that was. Or...
Yeah, if you want. Then we boogied up the road, and we'd only been gone about 10 minutes, and we stopped on the side of the road because it was just sensational, beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful. It's amazing. The scenery is quite spectacular. Even just on the drive, like as you'll see, the tree-lined roads, and it's just gorgeous.
For Australians, we got nothing like that. But then again, I don't know, if they got a dam like that,
They might have, I don't know. We didn't do the dams of Canada.
here we go on the West Coast Highway, stepping into RV world. Here we go, look at that. Look at that RV world. Isn't that beautiful? Full kitchen facilities, bedroom at the back. The Island Highway.
That's what it's called, yeah. We're on this for 9.4 kilometres or something. Petrol.
Will I get gas now or keep going?
Maybe keep going a little bit. What do you reckon?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Considering it's too hard to turn now.
Yeah. Because we will go past Campbell River, so we've got to have gas after Campbell River. So that's how we need to make sure we're filled by then.
Okay. Then we had a couple of more incidents. I mean, even the big drive, but there were still great incidents. We stopped on the side of the road to have some lunch, and we sent Alice up for a little flight, and we couldn't believe it. Just behind the trees was a lake or dam.
Lake Hoomak. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Nothing
Gorgeous.
like, I mean, this is nice. This is some nice scenery, but Lake Hoomak was bright blue with green trees, and I mean, it's something else. I mean, it was worth stopping. And there was 2 guys swimming there at the beginning, but after that, we were the only people. I mean, it was just sensational. It was unreal. And then
like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here.
We're on our way to Port Hardy, and we stopped at Lake Hoomak, about 100k away. And check this out. This is just a little stop on the side of the road. There's nobody here, and it's out of this world. Let's take a little trip down the path. You stop, you turn, and this is what you see the whole way along the walk. It's gorgeous. And coming back now along the trail, nobody else there. Up the steps, and back into the van, and we're on the road. And then, I mean, this is a real tourist thing. I mean, this is a real tourist trap. We pulled in to get petrol, being like a good tourist. I went out, grabbed the pump, wouldn't work. I didn't even know what to use. We had to look up the, what's it called?
The manual to find where the petrol was.
Where's the petrol was. And it wouldn't work. So I went into the garage and I asked the lady, I said, you know, she said, no, look, here we have to, you got to pay first because I had an incident years ago. So I gave her $100, you know, and she must have looked at me like, what a big spender this dude is. I started to fill the RV up, and yeah, $100 went. So I went back in, put another $100 on the table. Back again. It ended up taking $240 to fill the RV out. Big tip for travellers that have never used an RV. Expensive.
They use a lot of petrol, or gas, as you call it, even though it's liquid. Yes.
Then back on the stunning road.
My life is in your hands. My life is in your hands. My life is in your...
We finally made it to Port Hardy, and it was dark. As it got darker, Kathleen took over the driving, so I was prepared for what was about to happen when we arrived at Port Hardy. So, not much to do. I mean, and a really interesting thing there was, as we checked in, there was a little lady in front of us, and she was at reception, and she was just one of those little ladies, you know. So where are the fish? The lady that owned the place in the river. Oh. Do you sell bait? Yes. And this lady went on and on for half an hour, and I'm signaling to the caravan caravan park owner, will I throw her in the bin? The caravan park owner kept nodding, yeah, you can do that. And it was just a great day. The adventures from here on in get really exciting. But I mean, today, for just being in the car, was stunning. I mean, I recommend it to anybody. That's all I've got to say about that. This is, where are we, darling?
Warragamba Dam.
Warragamba Dam. This is Sydney catchment area for all our water. Isn't it gorgeous?
It's very nice.
So, if you like this video, what do you do?
Thumbs up. Subscribe. And we'll check you next week. If I manage to make one every week, it's a little bit challenging, but we will next week, another one. And next week's going to be really exciting. Port Hardy. Oh, yeah.
The Aborigine Reserve.